Hello everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I know I'm a little late with this. I've been doing a lot of markets and I've been so busy this last week. Of Dollar Bead Box for October of 2025. If you're not familiar with them, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. The dollar bead bag that's inside here is $8 a month. If you get it monthly, if you purchase it one time, it's $10. And this subscription box without the bead bag is $19.50 a month. So let's see. This October bead collection captures that cozy, crisp magic of fall, perfect for designs that pair with chunky knits, steaming mugs, and bonfire nights. Whether you're stringing up something spooky or serene, these hues bring harvest warmth to every project. Stock up now. This palette won't last past the season. So, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at these. Ooh. Oh, these are pretty. So this is the one that's $8 a month. You get 8 strands for $8. You cannot beat that. This is like a really good... Okay. Look at this. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, look at these. So this is the one that's $18.50. And then this is another $8. So, pretty good price here. Okay. Oh, I love these. These are so cool. I love when they send us these. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting with the dollar bead bag. This first one is, I'm thinking these are, so there's 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. So this is the first one of the 3mm strands. It says white, rose gold, or crystal copper. So I'm thinking this is the crystal copper. Look how pretty those are. These are just, I love their fire polish beads. And next is the olive vitriol pink or gold metallic iris. So I'm thinking this is the olive vitriol pink because they're, I don't know if that's showing in the thing, but there's little flashes of like a pink in there. These make great spacers too in your jewelry, especially when you get these kind of ones with all the different hues to them, because you can put these next to matte beads and that really, they really stand out. Next is pumpkin spice or matte topaz. I'm thinking this is pumpkin spice and I will take it. Oh, how pretty. Oh, these are so gorgeous. And next is, it says Crystal Ruby Luster or Matte Red Sangria. I'm thinking this is the Matte Red Sangria. So you got those. Oh, look at how pretty these are. And each one of these could, actually, you could just make a bracelet with each one of these and make yourself like 4 wrap bracelets. Okay, and next for the 4mm strands, this is matte warm copper or matte copper. So I'm thinking this could be either one. Maybe matte copper, but we've got that. And next, I'm kind of confused. It says iced latte or burnt sienna. I'm thinking this is iced latte. I'm not really sure, but it's gorgeous, whatever it is. And then next we have Tangerine Lumi or Topaz Luster. I'm thinking this is the Tangerine Lumi because it's got that orange hue to it. And then next is Crystal Royal Ruby Luster or Opaque Coral Vintage Bronze. This could be the Opaque Coral Vintage Bronze because I do see a bronze sparkle. I'm trying to turn a little bit so you can see that in there. See that? Yeah. So look at these. Oh my gosh. Look at these. $8 for these. You can't go anywhere else and get these this cheap. Let's get the other stuff out. Okay, so we're starting with the 6mm Czech Fire Polish Rose Gold Luster. 20 pieces. Look at how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is just, I just love getting this box. Next is 7x10mm Czech glass tulips in opaque white with copper wash. 15 pieces. These look really pretty as dangle earrings. Pretty those are. I get 15 of those. Next is the 6mm Lucerna bicone, medium brown, 25 pieces. And their holes on these are always made very well. You know, you don't get them chipped. Sometimes you get those corners chipped and then you go to make a pair of earrings and the beads hanging off. Next, these are gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up. 4mm Czech glass Drux in multi-metallic mix or opaque red Vega luster, 35 pieces. I'm going to put this up and hopefully you guys can see. There is like a hue to it. You see kind of like a rose and some copper and just, I don't know if you're picking that up, but oh, these are beautiful. Next is 3x5mm Czech glass gem cut rondelles in burnt umber, 25 pieces. These are pretty. These are fun as spacer beads too. And last but not least for the strands, this is really cool. 5x11mm Czech glass olive, brown and white, 12 pieces. Look how cool these are. These are really fun. So these are all the strands so far for the box, which could keep me busy for, I don't know, a day or two. Okay, and now we're going to start with the little bags. This first one is 8mm Czech glass cherry flower burnt copper, 10 pieces. You know what, I'm going to put them in my little white dishes so you can see them a little better against the white. Look how pretty these are. These make really great bead caps too. I use these a lot with bead caps because it just adds a layer of texture to the jewelry because of the ridges on them. You can't really tell it's a flower when you use them like that, but they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And next is, oh, these are cute. 12x32mm brass key, 2 pieces. It's the same on both sides. Look how cute these are. I haven't done a video in, I think it's been 8 days, and I have missed videoing, but I have been so busy doing my markets and everything, and so I've got a little bit of a break, so I'm back. Okay, so we got those, and then these are 6mm spiral rings in antique copper, 100 pieces. I'm not going to undo this, but we all know what these are like, but these are nice, and they seem a little thicker, so that's good. And then my favorite one, 12x15mm Czech glass pillow, acid etched volcano, 1 piece. These are so cool. So that's one side, and then it's the other side. I've made like so many. I use these when I make pendants, and I'll just like dangle stuff from it. You know, put the holes on the top there. Put a head pin through there, or an eye pin, and then just dangle some stuff off of there. And it's just, oh, I love these. They've sent us quite a few before. And next are 9mm pewter spirals in antique copper, 4 pieces. These are fun. These are pretty for dangles for like the bottoms of earrings or necklaces, which of course I'm going to be doing something with that. Okay. And next is 8mm round howlite beads in white, 6 pieces. These are pretty. Such a pretty box. I love these colors. Oh, this is gorgeous. 18mm Czech glass wild rose, opaque brown with copper wash, 1 piece. I'm going to put this on here so you can see it. Look how pretty that is. I have missed my bead room. I've been so busy doing markets, and I'm like, I just want to be with my beads. So that is so pretty. These make pretty pendants too. And next is 6mm check fire polish chrysolite with copper. 8 pieces. Oh, these are gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's picking up all the sparkle. Hoping it is. They're so pretty. I love that they don't give you a ton. They give you a little bit of everything. And next, these are adorable. 7x24mm banjo charm. Antique copper. 2 pieces. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute those are. Now this would just be perfect. Put this little copper jump ring through that hoop and make yourself a pair of earrings, dangle earrings. And this is the other side. So it's only one side. So you'd have to make sure if you used earrings for earrings that you set them right. So cute. There's a lot of detail in this too. And next are 3mm check glass Drox and Aztec gold, 50 pieces. These are pretty. These are really pretty. Look at these colors together. Oh my gosh. Oh, gonna have some fun in my bead room now. Okay, and next is the 18mm heart and key charm set, antique bronze. So that's really cute. And because it's more decorative, you could put this in the front. Like you could put it off to the side if you made a necklace and have it so it's wearing in the front. So you see that little latch going. It'd be really pretty like that. Okay, and last but not least, I love when they send us these mixes. Check glass matte metallic mix in bronze iris. So this is fun because it's just a little bit of everything. I love these little half circles they send us. And little dagger beads. And then these little 2-hole beads here. Little squares. A little bit of everything. And this little one, really cute. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I sure did. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below in the description to the dollar bead box as well as my coupon code to use. And you have to check them out. I mean, you can't beat this price. So, yes, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will leave all my links below as well to my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day.